Hey guys, it's Jeremy here at the CareTech Training Center. Today, we're breaking down our full line of advanced correction compounds while giving you the basics of paint correction. These compounds, XCC, CC1, CP2, UFF, and CPP, are all water-based, contain no fillers, body shop safe, and are easy cleanup. Thanks to advanced diminishing abrasive technology, each product finishes down clean, making them professional-grade solutions for every stage of paint correction. Let's go over each one quickly. First up, XCC, our heavy hitter. It corrects up to 1,000 grit sand marks, tackles heavy oxidation, and removes deep surface scratches. Next is CC1, which is more refined but still aggressive. It handles up to 1,500 grit sand marks and removes medium oxidation and surface scratches. CP2 is a super versatile cut and polish compound that corrects up to 2,000 grit sand marks, oxidation, and light scratches. UFF is our advanced jeweling polish, perfect for creating a deep gloss and removing fine swirl marks before applying a ceramic coating. Lastly, CPP is our 3-in-1 diminishing abrasive polish. It lightly corrects, polishes, and leaves behind a layer of ceramic protection, all in one step. Before polishing any vehicle, you always want to start by properly decontaminating the paint with a thorough wash and a clay bar or a clay mitt treatment. After decontamination, there's one more major part of preparation, and that's proper inspection. Understand the paint type. Use a paint thickness gauge to check thickness of the clear coat and assess how heavy of a correction is needed. Then, always start with a test spot using the least aggressive pad and compound combination. For this particular vehicle, I've already found that it finished well with CP2 paired with a yellow pad, so we're going to jump right in. I apply 4 pea-sized drops of CP2 around the pad. Because this compound is water-based, it spreads easily, no need to prime the pad or the panel. Start the polisher on speed setting 1 and gently move the compound around a 2x2 control zone, about shoulder width. Once the product is spread, increase your machine speed to 5 and begin polishing using a consistent crosshatch pattern. Be sure to let your polisher oscillate freely and flat with the panel. Don't force it or let it stall in place. After working the compound, you'll notice it becomes almost completely clear. That's a sign it's broken down and you've generated enough heat to achieve a proper correction. But before wiping, always wait until the panel is cooled to under 100 degrees to prevent any micro scratches. I'm using our super plush 550 GSM microfiber towel to wipe any extra compound away. And just like that, this section is now scratch and swirl free with a clean, glossy finish. If needed, we can go further by adjusting to a finer compound and a softer pad. However, in just one step with CP2, we got some great results that I am definitely happy with. If you want more in-depth instruction and hands-on training, come join us here at CareTech. You'll learn to paint correct like a pro and gain the confidence to tackle any job. Visit caretechtraining.com for more information.